to achieve the best out of your skincare product, you need to know how to properly layer and use your skincare product in order to really benefit from the wonderful things that these products offer. So I'm going to teach you how to layer your skincare products and how to use them. Yes, there's a difference between layering your skincare products and using them well. So come, let's do this. So guys, today I will be teaching you how to layer your skincare products for clear, glowing skin. It is very important to understand how to layer your skincare products if you want to achieve a radiant and a beautiful skin, and if you want to really reap the benefits that this skincare product has to offer. Because you don't want to use your serum before you use your toner and stuff like that. We don't do that here. So I will try my best to be really simple and try to simplify everything so as you can understand. I'm going to just talk about the basics of skincare. That is, I'm going to talk about cleansers, toners, serum, essence, moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. So let's explore each step in detail. The first step in every skincare routine is to go in with your cleanser. So you start with your cleansing. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without compromising the skin natural oil. So I would say that you should choose products that are kind to the skin, that are very soothing, and that will not strip off your natural oil and moisture from your skin. And I will advise that you do the double cleansing method. That is the process where you first of all go in with an oil-based cleanser or a balm cleanser to cleanse impurities. Oil-based cleansers help to deeply penetrate into your skin pores to bring out dirt and impurities, and they help also to retain the natural oil and moisture on your skin. Then after using your oil-based cleanser, you can come in with your water-based cleanser or your gel cleanser, and then you double cleanse. This will help to properly remove dirt and impurities, and this help to cleanse your skin properly without compromising the skin barrier. Okay guys, the second step is using a toner. Toner set the stage for the rest of your products to work properly, like your serum and your moisturizer. It paved the way for them to work properly because toners will not only balance your skin pH level, but they go deeper to penetrate into your skin to bring out those lingering dirt and impurities, those makeup and oil that your cleanser couldn't bring out. Toners will help to penetrate deeper into your skin to bring out those dirt and impurities. Then toners also help to hydrate your skin and also to balance the skin pH level. So I'm going to leave pictures of toners here that you can use to help to hydrate your skin and also bring out dirt and impurities and help to balance your skin pH level. Okay guys, the next step, which is the third step, is to apply your serum. Serums are lightweight skincare ingredients that are designed to address specific skincare concerns. For example, if you need a brightening effect on your face or on your body, like if you have a very dull skin, what you go for is a vitamin C serum. If you have dry and flaky skin and you want hydration to your skin, what you go for is a hyaluronic acid serum. And then if you have excess oil production on your skin, what you go for is niacinamide serum. Then if you want anti-aging properties, you go for retinol or vitamin C. So serums are designed to address specific skin concern, and they are really lightweight. They are applied before the thicker skincare products like your moisturizer. Serums penetrate deeply into your skin to address that specific skin concern that they are meant to address. So choose your serum according to your skincare concern. The next step is for you to use an essence or a treatment. Treatments will help to also address specific concern. There are a lot of on-the-spot treatments that you can use. Treatments, products like Tritonol, for example. I will leave a picture of Tritonol on the screen. Tritonol is used to treat acne on your face. It is also used as an anti-aging property. It is a derivative of vitamin A, which help to treat acne on your face. It helps to give you a smooth and a radiant skin. So if you want all that, you want something that will treat your acne on your face, you want something that will also help you to fade fine lines and wrinkles, you can go for tretinoin treatment cream, like the retin A treatment cream. If you want something that will fit your acne on your skin and give you a radiant and a glowing skin, then the next step is to use your moisturizer. After cleansing your skin, after toning, applying serum and maybe your essence or treatment products, the next thing that you're coming in is your moisturizer. You apply your moisturizer or your face cream. This will help to penetrate into your skin also. There are also skincare products that help to nourish your skin, to give you a healthy and a radiant skin. It is very, very important to use your face cream or face moisturizer twice in a day to have a radiant and a glowing skin, because they contain very good ingredients that are tailored to your skin type and skin concern, that will help to, give you a rejuvenated skin. Well, if you want a face cream that will really give you a beautiful face void of acne and give you a brightening effect, you can go for this vitamin C and collagen face cream. It is very, very beautiful and very effective to the skin. Then if you want like a hydrating effect, if you have dry skin, you can go for this simple hydrating face moisturizer. We have the CeraVe hydrating moisturizer also for dry and flaky face. We have the one that control oil production on your skin. That one contains a salicylic acid. There are a lot of beautiful face moisturizers and face cream that you can use. So after your cleansing, toning, applying serum and essence or treatment on your face, the next thing you do is your moisturizer. The last step in your skincare routine should be your sunscreen. Your sunscreen is very important because it will help to protect you from the UV rays from the sun. It will also help to protect you from free radicals and the environmental pollutants. It will help to lock in every other products that you have used to give you a radiant and a smooth face. So it is very important to use your sunscreen last, to lock in every other products that you have used. Now remember that if you do not use your sunscreen, all these things that we have talked will not work. It will be like you're pouring water in a basket. Sun care is very important when it comes to skincare. So your sunscreen should be the last product that you use in every skincare routine. There are a lot of beautiful sunscreen that you can use. We have the Skin Aqua sunscreen, we have a Bondi Sands, we have Sun Coat, a lot of sunscreen that you can use. You can even use the cheaper ones like the Estelene sunscreen or the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. We have Nivea sunscreen. The only thing that you should understand while using sunscreen is, firstly, you should use the 3-finger rules. Use a 3-finger rule where you apply your sunscreen in your 3 finger and apply on your face down to your neck. Remember that. Then secondly, remember to always reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours if you want to achieve the best out of your sunscreen. Remember to always reapply your sunscreen. Okay guys, that is that on how to layer your skincare products and how to use them correctly for a very smooth, clear and radiant skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to like this video, share, leave a beautiful comment, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and have a fantastic time.